Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mackie. Today we're going to be doing some last minute Halloween makeup spiderweb eyeliner edition just in time for Halloween tomorrow. We're going to first be starting out with a nice clean base and adding just like what I like to call Tim Burton brown. It's like that color that all of the characters have around their eyes where it makes them look like they're dead inside. That's what you want on your eyes. Using my e.l.f. American Eagle Denim Daze palette, using that cargo shade, which is the perfect Tim Burton brown. And then we're taking this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It has the perfect tool on it already, this little flexible little brush tip. I tried using liner brushes and dipping it into the product and doing it that way, but this way was the best method and I had the cleanest lines and the best outcome because this look, I'm gonna tell you, if you're gonna do this, make sure you have a lot of time before whatever you're going to, because it did take me 4 times. Being an eyeliner queen like myself struggles. You want to start small and go slow. That's the best way I feel like you're gonna do this. You're gonna first by going a tiny little cat eye, nice and long, and along the lash line to start that spider web. Make sure you really let these dry so it doesn't transfer up, and then you're just going to take it and do a little graphic eye just like that. You just gotta be brave, gotta do it. I've seen tips where you could use shadow on a really skinny brush, but I didn't like that because it just, the two formulas together didn't work well. And you're just gonna repeat it on the next eye. If you go too little bold on one eye, just follow suit on the other one, but also remember that all spider webs are different, so if they don't match, it's okay. You're gonna take that brush again and go straight down the middle to start creating that spider web vibe. I kept making them longer to try to make them look more twin-like, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's Halloween. Most Halloween makeup's a little messy anyways. I wiped most of the product off the brush and I just went slow and tried to be as precise as I possibly could. I did 2, what are those called? I don't know. Spider web lines in the middle to create that spider web line. Wow, I don't know how to describe spider webs. But I did end up doing 3 tiers of spider webs to add that webby look. And I feel like I did a great job. I don't even want to show you what the other footage looked like. It was a hot mess. But again, if you mess up, the good thing about makeup is you can restart over and try again. What have you guys been up to for spooky season? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done much. I just have not been in the best mindset. Very depresso espresso over here. So the spiderweb makeup really cured my soul. Makeup has always been a form of therapy for me, and I hope that you enjoy these videos because I definitely enjoyed making them because it gives my mind a break from all the chaotic things I think about, and I have to focus on doing these intense eyeliner looks apparently and editing, and it's just so much fun. After we've completed our desired webbed eyeliner look, I just keep taking it around the edges and sharpening it up and making sure it's all nice and dry. We are going to apply some mascara. You use whatever you want. Obviously you don't need lashes, but I'm going to put lashes on just because I feel like it adds to the vibe. It adds to the spider web-iness of it, and especially if you mess up, they do hide your mistakes a lot. I'm just using my favorite lashes from Salon Perfect, the light and fluffy 694s. Walmart has so many fun Halloween lashes, so you could even use some of those. I really wish I would have picked up some that had the like little stars on them. I just think those are super fun. And you could leave it like this, but we are going to come back to the eyes after we do our lips. We're adding the NYX Lipliner in the shade 801 Auburn. Just like a nice plummy dark red. I would prefer to do a ombre spooky lip like this with a black lip liner, but I could not find mine. So any dark red will do, and you do whatever desired lip shape you're wanting for the day. I'm going to do my typical overlined look, which is not everyone's cup of tea, but it makes me feel cute, and that is what is the best part about makeup, is it makes you feel confident. After you're done with that, we're gonna take my favorite transfer proof lipstick line from Revlon, Colorstay Suede ink, in the shade 015 Lip Bloom, which is the perfect blue based red. And like I said, these are so transfer proof. I have like 4 others in this line in different shades, and this is such a great red for a nice vampire red lip, or for Christmas, which is coming up, which I don't even want to think about. Ew. We're taking that lip liner and just perfecting and adding more depth to the lip shape to finish off that lip, just to perfect any of those lines in case you messed up a little bit. Makes it nice, all sharp and clean. Look how cute, adorable, spookalicious little babe I am. Now we're gonna go back to the eyes, and we're using the Sheglam Glitter Wizard Jelly Shadow. Well, it says Invisible Jelly Shadow, and it's in the shade Party Animal, which is that like disco rainbow tastic, and it is like a jelly. I would say it reminds me of the ColourPop Jelly Munches, but I honestly think I like these more. I don't know why. They aren't drying out like the ColourPop ones do, and I like the texture of this because it doesn't like have fallout, and it just sticks to my eye without feeling like really sticky. But it's just a beautiful rainbow invisible glitter like it says, and I'm just using this pointed brush and tapping it on to my eyelid, not onto the spiderweb part, but just onto my eyelid to add some fun rainbow glitter. And I do put it in my inner corner just a little bit. And I just think it adds a fun little Halloween vibe. I'm going to be wearing this to work tomorrow. I'm very excited, but it looks so cute. This is like one of the things I've been wearing a lot lately, is like I'll do a nice dead inside Tim Burton brown on my eyes, and then I'll do my black wings and just a little glitter here and there. And I'm just taking whatever contour powder I had on my brush left and running it underneath my eyes, just to add a little bit more of that grungy, I am tired and it's Halloween vibe. We're taking a little bit of a gold highlighter from Moira Beauty. This is one of their newer ones, and I love those highlighters, and we just put that in the inner corner and on our brow bone to finish off that eye look. And there is that beautiful Halloween spiderweb makeup look. I'm into it. I love it. You don't have to wear this for Halloween. You can wear this all day, every day. It doesn't matter the holiday. If you're feeling sad and you want to feel spooky, put this on. But I think it turned out super cute, and I'm proud of myself for trying something different, because I have never done spiderweb eyeliner before. Well, I've done it 4 times now, but successfully have done it once. So I hope you have a great Halloween. Be safe out there, and don't forget to have a great night or day wherever you are. Bye!